they're gonna play when we go. I hope it's something quiet and minor, peaceful and slow. When we float out into the ether, into the everlasting arms. I hope we don't hear all these chains we forge in life. Cause the chains I've been hearing of for most of my life, and the chains I've been hearing of for most of my life. To hear the 59 sound coming through on grandmama's radio. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? And I wonder, were you scared when the matter hit the glass? See, I was playing a show down the road when your spirit left your body. And they told me on the front lawn, I'm sorry I couldn't go. But I still know the song and the words and the name and the reasons. And I know cause we were kids and we used to hang. And I know cause we were kids and we used to hang. To hear the 59 sound coming through on grandmama's radio. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? Young boys, young goods, young boys, young goods. Ain't supposed to die on a Saturday night. Ain't supposed to die on a Saturday night. Well, they ain't supposed to die on a Saturday night. Ain't supposed to die on a Saturday night. You hear the 59 sound going through on grandmama's radio. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one night?